Hi, I'm Kathy. I thought I would come and talk to you today about how to make a crocheted circle into a square. Sometimes you just want to do something different and it still has to fit together, so this is the way I do it. I have some circles here. I have little circles and middle circles and bigger circles, 3 rounds. The easiest one I know of is to do 4 chains and then slip stitch them together, and then you put 12 double crochets into the circle, so you have a little circle like this. Okay, the next step is to do a second round, and you're going to do 2 double crochets in between each of the first round stitches. So now you have 24 stitches. Don't do a single crochet in between, just keep going 2 by 2 by 2. The third round is going to be 3 double crochets in between your 2 clusters. Somehow I got that one wrong. I'll look at another one just to make sure that it's right. Okay, here, let's do this one. But you see then that crochet is very forgiving. You can adjust. Okay, but here it's 3 in between each sets of 2. And this one I did correctly. Here's the starting chain, that counts as 1, and here's the second one on that. Now I'm going to pick one. Let's pick this one, and I'm going to put a square on the outside of this so that it looks like this, and I will be able to fit these together into a shawl or an afghan, whatever, or lap robe, whatever I wish to make out of it. There are other kinds of circles that you can make. This one is based on a 16 stitch beginning, and you can see that there are different clusters in here. This is like a puff stitch, and then this one is do 4 and then link them all together at the top, which this one will suck up a lot of yarn. So just letting you know, but it's very pretty when it's done. It looks kind of like a flower garden. Alright, I'm going to take this color and I'm going to pick anywhere in the circle as long as it's between a cluster of 3. And I'm going to start by making my corner stitch, which is going to be taller than the middle stitches so that I can get a square out of it. That means I need to make a treble, and I'm chaining 3 here. 1, 2 round wraps, go through. Now I have 4 loops on here, and I'm going to go through 2 and 2 and 2. Do that once more. 2 and 2 and 2. Now I have a treble cluster in the corner. Don't chain in between. This is going to be a double, so that this is a shorter cluster here, and that gives me the flat side of my square. Okay, I'm going to do that one more time. So now I have 2 clusters of doubles, and in the next one I have to make another corner. So I'm going to do trebles again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, which is why it's called a treble. Now in England they would call that a double treble because they count how many loops are on here. To turn my corner, I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to do another cluster in the same space here. Trebles again. You see how the British people, they count 1, 2, 3, 4. They count the loops on the hook. We count how many times we pull through. So that's the difference. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I do 2 more short clusters with doubles. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Do a corner. I'm doing 3 trebles in this corner. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 for the turning. Do another cluster in the corner. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then I do a short side with 2 clusters of doubles. Just like that. Do another one of these. 1, 2, 3 of those. Now I come to another corner, so I'm going to do a treble. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turning chain. Another cluster in the corner. Tall stitches. Now I have to do the short side. 2 sets of doubles. Do it again. 2 sets of doubles. And now I'm back to the last corner. I have to finish this corner. I have 1 cluster here, but I need another one. So I'm going to do trebles in the corner. And then a turning chain and attach it up here with a slip stitch and finish it off. If you weave in the ends as you go, that makes life a lot easier later on. Okay, so that's in. I'm going to pull this one in a little bit more so that it doesn't stick out. And there's my square, my circle inside a square. Thank you for watching this. I hope you have a good day and stay safe.